In this video, I am going to show you how to make massive money in Bitcoin automatically. If this is your first time, my name is Tom, the high frequency market killer. In this channel, I prove to you that you can make money in the financial market automatically no matter who you are. If that makes sense to you, click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so that you don't miss any of our videos. This video is for education and entertainment purpose, not as a financial advice. So without further delay, let's dive in. So I am going to navigate to Bitcoin chart at the moment right now. As you can see on the screen, this is Bitcoin chart in the daily time frame. And the moving averages you are seeing here is the 250 exponential moving averages. Back then at this point, you can see that when the moving averages were crossing over, the Bitcoin price was pumping up, and at this point that it crosses down and then crosses up again, the Bitcoin price was also pumping to the all-time high. And as you can see here, the moving averages crosses down at this point. So this is a clear indication that the market was going down at this point. And what is going to happen right now is unknown. But if the whales keep on holding their position, we are going to see the moving averages crossing over at this point. And if that happens, there's a probability that the market is going to go back to the all-time high, being the price from 68 or 69 whatsoever. So then if the Bitcoin price crosses down the moving averages and keep going down, that is a clear indication that there's a probability that the Bitcoin is also going to be dipping down. So at this point, what are you going to do? Are you going to buy and hold? That is awesome. Are you going to day trade? That is awesome if you are a professional trader. But I'm going to show you a simple trick that will enable you to make massive money even while Bitcoin is still consolidating, making massive move. For you to be able to make massive money, you have to be swift. You have to capture the market at the right spot and then move to the moon together with the market. On the 4-hour chart, you can see that the market is trending up, but if you go to the lower time frame, for example the 5 minutes time frame, you are going to see that the market is making some pullback, making the higher lows like this. So the point is that if you are able to buy at this point and sell somewhere here or somewhere here whatsoever, you are going to be making massive money. Let's say you bought at this point and sold here and make 2%. You bought at somewhere here and sold here and make maybe 1.2%. So if you can do this consistently like 100 to 200 times, guess how many percents you are going to be making in the Bitcoin markets. But there is a problem with this. Let's dive into our 5 minutes chart. This is BTC USDT in the 5 minute time frame. You already see that the market is making some pullback. Like at this point, you see a pullback here and it goes down. At this point, it comes down and then pull back again. So if you are able to take advantage of these pullbacks, you are going to be making massive money in a short time. As you can see, if we drag our measurements and measure from this pullback to this point, you can see this was 1.9%, approximately 2%. And if we drag our pullback at this point to this point, you can see this was 1%. So if you are able to make 1% for a long time, you are going to be making massive money. But like I said, there's a problem, and the problem is missing out. You may want to buy it at this point, but coming back, you find out that the price is at this point. You knew that you have to be swift to be able to capture this pullback because this is a lower time frame. So is it not going to be nice if you have a vibrant solution that scans for this pullback automatically and buys and sell it automatically for you while you are not even looking at your charts? That is awesome, isn't it?
There's nothing left for me to figure out.
That is why Fluronix high frequency trading bot comes in. I am going to show you how to set up your Fluronix high frequency trading bot specially to scan for Bitcoin pullback and take advantage of it by buying and selling it consistently for a long time, and also be making massive money from it consistently. So I am going to navigate to the folder in which I install my Fluronix high frequency trading bot. There's going to be a link in the description on how to install your Fluronix high frequency trading bot. And if there is still free giveaway by the time you are watching this video, then you can get it for completely free of charge. But if there is not, then you will have to subscribe for it. So I'm going to click to open the settings. And reaching the settings, what you have to do is that you only have to allow BTC to be in the currency column, or any other cryptocurrency that you want to trade. So on my currency column, I'm going to allow only BTC. If you're already running Fluronix high frequency trading bots in other currencies, then you will have to copy your Fluronix high frequency trading bot to another folder and continue with these settings. I will have to put my order volume to be 200 USDT. And other settings, as you know, my Binance exchange, as well as my API key, my license key, and my Telegram ID. So on the day trade algorithms, you are going to see these settings: max trade signals. These are the maximum numbers you allowed your Fluronix high frequency trading bot to buy a cryptocurrency whenever it finds signal, until there is a new calculated signal. So Fluronix high frequency trading bot calculates new signal whenever the price of cryptocurrency drop massively and start moving up again. So let's assume that this was a massive drop. So whenever the price start going up again, Fluronix high frequency trading bot will consider that as a new signal. And what happens is that whenever there's a pullback, Fluronix high frequency trading bot will buy, and whenever there's another pullback, it's going to buy and also buy. So if you allow only max trade signals to be 3, then what it means is that your Fluronix high frequency trading bots will only consider these 3 signals. So it will only buy these 3 signals and will not buy on this until there is a new drop on the price. So if you increase the number of max trade signals to up to 5, it means that your Fluronix bot will buy here, buy here, buy here, and buy here, and buy up to 5. So what I am going to do right now is to change the max signal to 20. In your case, you can make it lower based on how many times you want it to buy. You can also make it to be higher, but since I am trading only BTC in my portfolio, I am going to allow it to buy up to 20 times if there is a pullback. So I'm going to save my settings by clicking on the menu and click on save. I can also click on Ctrl S to save my settings. And when you are done, come back and run your day trading mode bot. So in this case, your Fluronix high frequency trading bot will be scanning for pullback and buys automatically for you. It's going to be doing this consistently and be making massive money while you are not there. So to run your Fluronix high frequency trading bot 24/7, to be able to do this work effectively, you need a VPS. A VPS is a remote computer. There's a link down below that explains more on VPS and how to get one. If this video sounds good to you, then click on the subscribe button. Comment down below how much you make using this process. If you have any question, feel free to contact me on the official Telegram group. I am going to be more than happy to answer your questions.